to cry. Guys, I really want to show you my painting. Wait, so beautiful. I'm an artist as well. I haven't completed yet, but I am planning to complete. Oh wait, I need to set timers. Isn't it beautiful? I haven't completed yet, but I am planning to complete. I will. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. Look at this painting, guys. I'm about to cry. So pretty. This is so beautiful. Some sketches. Guys, this is the part, the ancient part. There is a lot of green grasses. This small, beautiful hut. Nearby is a pond, and it's sunset. Oh my God. Baby oil, there you go.
The news maker.
This one is a body mist. Sugada. So it smells so good. Oh. Sticky shortbreads, however. And then next I pick up this shortbread. 농단기 작사들보고 to see you. I feel like my skin is exfoliating right now, so I stopped using retinol. But after some time, after I have recovered from my exfoliations, I will start using my retinol skincare routine. I start using this Anua dark spot corrections serum, and then I use two serum in my skincare, which I feel like it's not that mandatory, but I use because I want to use this. So this serum is called Miracle Serum. I don't know what is this for, but I'm using this because of the words miracle on this serum. I'm gonna use this serum. This is a Miracle Serum. Next up, in signature doise Lineage ki sleeping bouncy and firm sleeping mask haibago. Signature ki ma'am. Si second one aine sleeping mask ama water bank ki Lineage ki sleeping mask achouba ma leibago. Aduda free oina hapakune. So aine si se hana sina toki to. Night care routine I always I di sleeping mask se dum hapebago. Ado khangde ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟ ꯀꯦꯌꯔꯗ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯠꯁꯤꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ. Anyways, whom should I complain, right? So I'm gonna okay. So guys, ngasi oinadi sida loisare. Aduga aina haptoise lip mask jingi ko. Sisi yam kanai yada khangde. It's up to you guys. Khada kanai khada kana de edo ishi chihim phar si jam kuin chatne. Kidang gedang ta ya do mi ga taimina de ka sat loi ko. Hand cream tagi ko. Yam ay loizare ko. Skincare loe duna huzikdi phoning tharwaski. Anyone's using Duolingo. Usually I'm gonna Spanish también because I will say something in Spanish. Mucho gusto. Buenas noches. Peace. Bye. Adios. 라시도 그래 야우다부도. 라시 야우가 야우다부시기다. Anyways, guys, I'm learning Spanish. So what should I say? Adios. Buenas noches. Hola. Here's my dough. Class. Guys, so pretty. Guys, so pretty. Oh, I can pretty mo pong kalemo. It's time. Wow, look at my bread. I'm so happy. Oh, guys, look at this. Wow, so soft. Inside is very soft and outside is crusty, you know. So it yeah, many sick e jari yam hawe butter ga jab do yam hawe.